Hi kids! Have you been reading this summer? I sure hope so. Remember that with your tracker form, you'll be reading 15 minutes and you'll cross off a whale for every 15 minutes that you read. You have until August 2nd, and so when you get this all completed and all filled up, you'll just want to turn your tracker into the library. Just bring it into the front desk, turn it in, and don't forget to pick up one of your free book prizes that you'll get just for completing your tracker. And then also your name will be entered into several drawings for some really cool prizes that you can win also. So keep that in mind, keep on reading, and be sure to turn in that tracker. Today's program is a Lion King party night. And this is a really fun activity that you can do with your friends or your family and just make it a really fun evening of togetherness and some really great movies and some pizza. So what you'll need for this is the Lion King book, and you can get this at the library and read the story. Maybe you'll want to do that earlier in the day on your party night or a day or two beforehand and enjoy the story of the Lion King. You'll also need, of course, the Lion King DVD, and you can get this at the library as well. So check out one of these. And also stop into the front lobby at the library and pick up the Lion King movie night game. And these are just some fun activities to do actually while you're watching the movie. So there's a little trivia and give a roar every time a new song begins and so on. So there's some fun activities that you can do. So be sure to pick that up. And then for the pizza part, you'll want to pick up a pizza crust. Now you can make this homemade if you like. I just picked up a pre-made pizza dough, or pizza crust. You'll need some pizza sauce, some cheese, and I've got some shredded up cheese, pizza cheese. You'll need some pepperoni, a little bit of olives, black olives, and some carrot strips. And then I have a spatula and a pizza cutter. So let's go ahead and get started with this Lion King pizza. So take your crust, and I washed my hands. I hope you'll wash your hands first too. And put it on a baking pan, a cookie sheet, or just onto the oven rack. And you'll start applying your pizza sauce. So I'm just pouring some on there and kind of spreading it all around. This is so fun. You can do this right before your movie starts. And if you need some help from a grown-up, you can get some help. And just have fun kind of spreading that all around there until it looks absolutely delicious and evenly covered with the pizza sauce. All right, next comes, what do you think? Cheese, right. So I have some shredded pizza cheese, and I'm just sprinkling that all around, as much or as little as you like. And it's looking delicious already. This is a very simple recipe for pizza. Very easy, quick, and fun to make. And just spread that around there like that. Now, the fun part, the pepperoni. You're going to arrange the pepperoni all around the outside of your pizza crust in 2 rows or 2 circles. So we'll take some pepperoni and just start putting these down in a circle all around the edge, just like this. Now, when you have your pepperonis all arranged in 2 circles around the edge, then you'll take half of a pepperoni and place it right in the center, and that will be your lion's nose. Now you'll need 2 olives, and guess what? That will be your lion's eyes, just like that. And then I have some very small little carrot sticks, and these will be your lion's whiskers. So just place those just like that in the center near the nose. Just like that. Does that look like a lion? I think it does a little bit. All right, when you're happy with the way this looks, you'll put this into a preheated oven, set at 450, and you'll bake your pizza for about 10 to 15 minutes. I hope your lion pizza turned out as cute as this one. So snuggle in with your Lion King movie or your book and cuddle up with your pride. Have a good evening. Thanks, guys.